Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you why is your LENOVO Yoga Book 9 not turning on. So mine is currently turned on, but if yours is not, then make sure that you've pressed on the power button. So I'm actually gonna close the lid, but you can do it on the open lid. I just want to show you where the button is located. So here it is. On the right side of the chassis. Make sure you've pressed hard enough, like deep enough, so the light goes on. If it doesn't, then there's a problem with your laptop. It's either discharged, which is not a big problem, so you can just plug it into charging and see if it turns on. If it doesn't turn on, then try leaving it plugged into charger for a bit longer, and see then also if your laptop was exposed to a cold temperature for a real long time, then that will also affect it and it may not want to turn on itself. So if it was exposed to a cold temperature, to a very cold temperature for a very long time, you may even need to wait up to 12 or 24 hours before it will turn on itself. But if your laptop wasn't exposed to cold temperatures and it still doesn't turn on after leaving it plugged in to charging for at least an hour, make sure that you have a charger that supplies enough power. So the factory charger is actually 65 watts, and that's what's recommended for this laptop, to have a 65 watt charger, so it supplies enough power input. If you have a charger that supplies less, then it may be not enough. Then also another thing to mention here is that your charger may be ingenuine. If your charger is ingenuine, then it may break pretty quickly. Also, I just wouldn't recommend using ingenuine chargers because they may explode. Although there's also the fact that it doesn't have to be a charger by Lenovo, it just has to be by a reputable brand. Fortunately, this laptop is charged with USB-C, so if you know anyone that has a USB-C charger that's 65 watts, or even 61, I guess, or 60, will be fine. You can borrow a charger from them and see if this charger works. Also, if you have a genuine charger, it may also break at some point. But if all of these didn't help, then there may be a problem with your laptop, and I would seek some technician help in that case. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.